In the previous section we customized the header. If I go down to the bottom of this home page, you can see you've got a copyright notice for Elegant Themes. They're the people who make DIVI, and it says it's powered by WordPress. So instead of having that displayed, I'm just going to have something like, copyright and maybe the company name. So how do I do that? I go to the back end, go down to DIVI Theme Customizer. Then I click on this item that says bottom bar. So I click on that. What I can do is I can disable the footer credits altogether, or better, I can put in my own credit. So I put in there copyright Cheltenham Tutorials, so that will now be displayed at the bottom. If I click on publish, I'll save those changes. And we go to a different browser, you can see at the moment it used to look like that. If I go and refresh this, it now says copyright Cheltenham Tutorials. Incidentally, if you don't want these icons here displayed, you can get rid of those as well. So if you don't use social media, you can just simply go back from there. That's where we were before. And if you go to where it says footer elements, by default social media icons are displayed. If I take that off and publish that, if I go back to my other browser, you can see they're displayed here, but if I refresh, they've now been removed.